We will do question number 5 and 6 today, right? So question number 5 is simplify each of the following. So how do we simplify?
When we combine the like terms,
Very good, excellent. We by combining the like terms. So there are 4 terms in first question. So we can take common, make groups and take common. So no, sorry, what I'm saying. So we will rearrange them. So what are the like terms?
we have 5x and minus 6x,
That's right, 5x minus 6x. And then
plus 22 minus 23,
very good. So now what is 5x minus 6x?
1x, minus,
Minus x. Yeah, minus 1x.
yes,
Usually we don't write 1, so we will write down minus x. So plus 22 minus 23
minus 1.
minus 1. Very good. This would be your answer. So now the B part is there are 4 terms again. So what are the like terms?
Ma'am, x plus 6x
X plus 6x
and plus 3y plus 4y.
plus 4y. So now we will combine the like terms. So x plus 6x is
Ma'am, 7x,
7x and 3y plus 4y is
7y plus 7y.
plus 7y. So now this one, so C part. So which
Yes.
are the like terms?
Ma'am, just 1 minute, I'm coming.
Or A, show it.
Yes, ma'am, I'm back.
Okay, bete. So I was saying, what are the like terms here? There are 4 terms in total.
Ma'am, the like terms are 6 x y minus 2 y. No, mine. Yeah, this. No, plus 13x and ma'am minus 5x.
So do you think there is no like term for 6xy?
And I think so that yx, if you like, but it's like if you opposite it, xy.
So yes, it is same as this one. Because remember, in multiplication, order does not matter. Like if you
Yes,
multiply 7 into 3, or if you multiply 3 into 7, so the order does
yes,
not matter in multiplication. So it does not matter if you like write y first or x later, right?
yes, ma'am.
So this is
Yes, ma'am.
same as this one. Okay? This is also 6xy and this is also minus
Oh,
2xy or
that's
yx.
right.
And anyhow, we know the definition of like terms. So the definition says that the variables and their powers should be same. So there is
Yes,
nothing like their order should be same or not. So the variables are x and y here also and here also. And the powers are 1 in both,
yes,
right? So they are like terms. So we can
yes.
write them together.
X,
6xy,
y. And ma'am, we can just like do 2 minus 2x. I can write like that.
that's right. We can write like this,
Yes,
right?
plus
And then plus
13x
13x
minus
minus
5x.
5x. So now what would be the
Then
answer?
4xy. Answer is 4xy
Mm-hmm. 4xy
and and 8xy, 8yx
plus
plus
8x.
8x.
That's right. Plus 8x. So now this
Yes,
one. So in the last part, how many terms are there?
6.
6 terms. And which are the
Yes,
like terms?
ma'am, 6x minus 8x
That's right. So
and
6x is a like
20
term too.
minus 20y and plus 25y.
Minus 20y plus 25y.
5y
And then
and plus 7z minus 11z.
minus 11z. Very good. That's right. So now we can combine the
And
like
now we'll
terms,
get
right?
minus 2x
minus 2x,
minus 5y,
minus 5
and the minus and plus
plus 5y.
plus 5y. Oh yes, one plus plus. Yes,
Sign of the bigger number will come.
yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
yes.
plus 7 minus 11
Minus 4 g.
minus 4. That would be your answer, right? So now the next
Yes,
question is find the sum of each of the following pairs of expressions. So we need to add them. So
yes.
if we add this first one, so it would be 2x plus 4y
4y
minus 5y.
minus 5y.
So what will be the answer?
Then 2x will stay the same because there's no
Other
like terms.
term like
And
this. Hmm.
yes, and ma'am, this
And
will minus 1y or minus y.
minus y, right?
Yes,
So just like any other languages now, algebra is also having some rules which we need to follow. So this is one of the rule. Okay, we cannot write if I need to write let's say 7xy. So although it's okay to write down like this 7yx, or even if you write down xy 7. So in multiplication the order is not important. So this is all correct. But this is the correct way of writing in algebra. Why? Because in algebra we follow this rule. Okay, we write down the coefficient or the number first, and then
yes,
we write down the variables in alphabetical order, right?
yes, ma'am.
So instead of writing it 7yx, we prefer to write it 7xy, right?
Okay, so ma'am, like if you have 7z multiply no w multiply 7z, so we will write it as 7wz.
That's right. So that is the order we follow. So then instead of writing W7Z, although this is also having the same meaning because in multiplication it does not matter if 7 is written first or later on. But this is not the correct way of writing in algebra. In algebra, we write down 7, like the number first, and then W and Z will be written in alphabetical order. So it will be like this. Okay. So you need to, follow this rule till in the later classes as well when the questions would be more complicated. So you need to remember this rule. Okay, the number will be written first and then the alphabetical order, the variables in alphabetical order, right?
Yes,
So now this one minus b minus 4a and 7b minus 6a we need to add. So I'm writing the like terms together, right? Minus
minus
b
b
plus
plus
7b
1b minus 4a minus 6a.
minus 6a. So now what would be the answer?
First answer
Mine
would be 6b,
6b
and second would be 10a minus 10a,
minus 10a. Very good. So now this one 6d minus 4c
and 7c plus 6. I will write the like terms
6d 6d
b plus
and the
6
other plus 6d minus
and
4c
minus c
minus
and minus
7c.
7c. So
So
is it 12d
12d
and minus 11c.
minus 11c. Very good. So 12d minus 11c. So now this one 3pq minus 6hk. And just to confuse you, they have changed the order.
Yes,
So
written the
minus
opposite.
3qp plus 14kh. So we need to write down the like terms together. So 3pq
PQ and minus
minus
C
3pq,
PQ
right? So then minus 6hk plus
plus
14hk.
14K HK. Yes.
Hk, yeah, right? So now what is this? What is
Now
this,
it will
Zainab?
be
What is this? Minus 3pq plus 3q.
PQ. It's called a zero pair.
Very good, very good. So it's called a zero pair.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
zero pair is basically any two in algebra, any two numbers when we add them and we get zero, so that pair is called a zero pair.
Yes,
So
zero
this
pair.
is gone, PQ term is gone. So now minus 6hk plus 14hk. How many hk's?
14 HK. Ma'am, it would be 8 HK.
Excellent. So 8 hk would be the answer, right?
Yes. Yes.
So now there is 6b, which is included in your curriculum. So let's see, 6b would be expand or factorize wali exercise. So, all right. So starting from this one, expand each of the following, right? So now you will see how we will write down different variables in order, when we expand it.
Yeah.
So what would be this,
Ma'am, so mine in A part minus and plus is equal to minus
right?
and x.
So
X will
how,
stay the same.
so how we are going to write down? There is a minus outside, so the
Yes.
both signs will be changed.
I'll change like so
So
minus x
minus,
and
minus,
minus 5.
minus 6, minus 5, right? So what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
the B part?
Ma'am, 2 multiply by, oh sorry, I was looking at the ma'am, so minus 4
Minus 4
plus x.
plus 6. Very good. Both signs will be changed. So
Yes.
now there is 2 outside and we need to expand it.
And we will try 2 3s are 6 and y.
6y
Yes, ma'am, and
and
plus 14.
14. Very good. So what about D part?
Ma'am, 2s are 16y. 16y
16y minus
minus 40.
40. Very good. So what about this one? There is minus sign and 8 also.
Ma'am,
So
we'll
because
only
of the minus
use
sign,
8.
sorry.
We'll take the minus sign and it will be there and we'll do the 8. We'll only multiply with 8.
All right. So you want to do it in 2 steps.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. If I keep the minus sign outside, so 8 will be multiplied and it would be.
No, ma'am. No, no.
Oh,
Well,
then what?
like we just put minus and and the statement without the bracket.
Oh, oh, acha. So minus what?
8 threes are 24.
24 A.
8
And now what?
minus,
Minus
yes, 8 fours are 32 b
32B. So what if I say there is a mistake in one of the sign? So which one would that be?
minus 32 b.
Oh, so why do you think this sign is
It
not
should be
correct?
plus. It should be
Plus
plus
30. Why it is plus?
because there's a minus outside.
Very good. So that's what I was saying, okay, because it is minus 8. So not only you will multiply with 8, but also you will flip the signs of the terms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now let's do the F part. 2a, x and
X
y.
minus y. So
So
2ax
2ax,
minus 2ay.
excellent. 2ay. So what about this one? G1, 5 minus.
5 minus b 6
Then now
b.
there is minus b outside. It means both signs will also be flipped and
Yes.
b will also be multiplied. So what will that be?
Plus, plus
Plus,
6bw
that's right.
minus 2bx.
Minus 2bx. Now you have done the same, I think. So you have done it intentionally now. Instead of writing 6wb, we have written 6bw and
Yes.
2bx because we are following the rule of algebra. And now we can easily see that they are not like terms because this
Yes.
here the variable is bw and here the variable is bx. So
Yes.
they are unlike terms. And this is a
Yes.
constant term. So these three terms are unlike terms. We
Right.
cannot simplify any further, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's expand this one then.
Ma'am, so 13 plus 3c no
Hmm.
minus 3cy
Minus 3cy
minus 3c, no, 9z 9 9z.
or 9 9. Yes. minus 9
9
C Z.
3B.
Very good. That's right. So now this one. So what will be the first part?
Ma'am, it's when first 5A
5A.
plus
Hmm,
N
right.
plus 10B
10B. Very good. Minus
minus 3B.
minus 3B. So 5A will remain as it is. And
Yes.
plus 10 minus 3 would be
7B plus
plus
7B.
7B. Very good. So now here that there are two brackets, you can expand first. So what will be the first?
7B
7P
plus 70Q
plus 70Q.
and then plus sign in middle.
That's right.
Ma'am is 12P
12P. And then lastly,
plus 14Q.
plus 14Q. Very good. So now we can write down the like terms together. 7P plus 12P
P
plus
plus 70Q
7P
Q
plus.
plus 14Q.
Very good. So what is the final answer?
Ma'am 19P
Hmm, plus.
plus 84Q.
Very good. So can we combine any further?
No.
We cannot because there is no like term now. So now the C part. So C part me, I'm solving it here. So it would be A
A
plus,
plus 3B.
hmm,
Now
and then if we
minus 5A
minus 5A.
plus 4B.
Very good. So now we will write down the like terms
A
together.
minus
So A
5A
minus 5A plus,
plus 3B plus 4B.
that's right. So now A minus 5A
Ma'am, it's 4A.
minus 4A,
Minus 4A
right?
and plus 7B.
Plus 7B. Very good. So this would be the answer. Now let's see if we can do D part. So D part is, can we expand it here? Let me change the color so that it's highlighted. So can we expand it?
Ma'am, X plus
X plus
6X
6X
minus 9Y
minus 9Y
plus 3Z
plus 3Z plus 7Z,
plus 7.
right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what would be the answer?
Ma'am,
X plus
7X
7X
minus 9Y
minus 9Y and
plus 10Z.
plus 10Z. Very good.